This video is about the service manual of the Singer Model 188U sewing machine. The Singer sewing machine Model 188U is a top-quality, high-speed, heavy-duty, industrial sewing machine. It features a single needle, Lockstitch, with back-tack sewing. It can sew fabrics ranging from thin muslins to thick and heavy denims. Some skilled sewers even use the machine for some upholstery works. In this manual, you can find many important details on how to adjust and set the proper timing of the machine, as well as how to properly maintain and keep the machine in a good operational condition. The service manual is composed of 11 pages in PDF format. If you want to have a copy of the service manual, please go to the link written on the description below this video. Thanks for watching.